Oh man, I think word got out that Allie Hoxie's down there serving up some ice cream. I even see the fire department down there. So if you haven't even got word, you might want to find a reason to go check out Campus Martius in the Cadillac Square area, and that's because they got some ice cream that's being given out for a good cause, the Salvation Army downtown, and the temperatures are warming up. And I hate to call today hot because I'm thinking about what's coming. So it's hot enough, but we're going to turn it up a little bit, talking about 90s and the humidity starting to flare up. Mid to upper 70s across Metro Detroit. We're at 79 degrees in Detroit and Pontiac, but already at 81 degrees in Howell. I think the warmer temps will be to the west. We'll get an easterly breeze coming in off of the lakes that might hold you back a little bit on the east side, but once again, still a decent day. Air quality is good for the moment, at least. Pollen count is going to be high, and grass pollen is the primary offender, and you would expect the UV index to be at a 9 or almost a 10 with a day like today with pure sunshine out there. 79 degrees in downtown, but the more important number is going to be the dew point change. It's already up about 8 degrees, so the muggy meter says the dew points are in the 60s. If we were to show you exactly where the humidity is located, the darker the green, the more humid the air is. This is going to be drifting in our direction. You'll see it right here in real time. I'm thinking by this evening into tonight, you'll feel the difference, and then definitely by tomorrow, you'll notice the difference. You get dew points in the upper 60s to 70s. That is a tropical air mass that you can no doubt feel and wear when you step out. It's going to make it feel much hotter. That's why the heat advisory goes into effect tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 8 o'clock area-wide, because that humidity will make it feel like 100 degrees at times, especially if you can't seek out any shade. So that's why the cooling centers will be something you want to seek out. So hotter today, getting humid, and we'll see the sunshine around. 88 in Detroit, thinking we can squeeze out 90 in areas like Adrian, away from the water. Still a hot day. First time we've been above average in a couple of days, which our average high is about 84. Now there is a chance, and I mean a chance, that storms and some rain may have something to say about the storms that flare up for tomorrow. And not the greatest likelihood that these will be widespread, but any storm with this type of humidity and heat will go big. So just a heads up, there is a potential for some severe weather tomorrow. Now let me show you what this looks like with the heat index map. There's the triple-digit heat indices area-wide across Metro Detroit. Could be as high as 103 or as low as 99. Either way you put it, you got to stay hydrated with this type of heat across Metro Detroit. That's only there for Thursday. Not to say that it's going to be cooler on Friday, but it will be less hot and less humid as this hot pattern continues to flare up. So your 7-day forecast keeps us in the mid to upper 80s. Showers and storms will be out there from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then the 90s, they're back Sunday and Monday. The cooling trend returns after Tuesday.